Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to track your baggage on the Egyptair application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on this menu button down below, and after that click on baggage, which is the third button. Here you should type in your bag tag number, or you can also scan the bag tag number by tapping on this scan bag button. Then you should scan it with your phone. After that you should set the departure date and the airline too, and then type in the flight number. If you are done with adding all these details, click on the baggage tracking button, and then you are going to find your baggage information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.